Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge isupport nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
And there's a particular sentiment towards South Africa from the continent. A sense of ownership, of belonging. And you can't change it. It's right through the continent. South Africa belongs to all of us. It's our thing. And of course, it's more developed than all of this and the other thing. There is no way we as South Africans are going to stop Africans coming to South Africa. No way. I don't care how many electrical fences you build. It's going to happen. So the challenge we face as South Africans is to how do we deal with that? You can't keep these fellow Africans out of South Africa, and you can't define our relationship with South Africa versus the other Africans as enemies. These are our enemies who've come to our country to take our jobs and all of that. They will come. I'm saying I don't care how many electrical fences you build. With the challenge we face, what is it that we do in order to respond to that problem?
Interesting kakhulu le position former president uThabo Mbeki ukuthi ayikho into engenziwa ukunqanda abantu ukuthi bangeze South Africa. Uthi noma ungafaka ama-electric fence angakanani angeke lenkinga inqandeke. Okusho ukuthi lilonke inkinga ama-illegal immigrants inkinga enkulu kabi engeke izilamuleke ngokusho kuka former president. Namhlanje Johannesburg, Gauteng High Court, i-division yase-Johannesburg ikhiphe i-judgment mayelana nodaba le-Operation Dudula lokuvimba abantu uma beye emaklinikhi noma beye ey'bhedlela nonke nje le ndawo ezinjalo nasemsebenzini-ke. Njengoba sinokubona ama-organization ahlukene, MK Party Labour Desk, March and March, bephuma beya kuma-companies ehlukahlukeneyo ukuyozama ukwanqanda. Kodwa le case specifically ibhekane ne-Operation Dudula. I-judgment yanamuhla-ke ayivunanga Operation Dudula, kodwa ithe ayivumelekile. Sizoyifunda-ke lo judgment leyo, sizoyifunda. Kodwa kulamaviki aphelile kuye kwakhulunywa ngamazwe alekelela i-South Africa, lapho uZandile Dabula wabuzwa khona wahluleka ukuphendula. Ngihlangane nevideo kaChris Hani. Ngihlangane nevideo kaChris Hani ekhuluma ngeBotswana ukuthi bake baboshwa bona eBotswana. Ngifuna ukukucaphunela yona uzizwele wena, ngezokusho lutho mina, then bese sifunda i-judgment. Kodwa nje lilonke iDudula ayisavumelekile. Sizozwa-ke ku-judgment ukuthi kuthiwe iziphi izathu. Ngeshwa kanginayo i-judgment ephelele, kodwa le ngizoyifunda ile nama-points lawa abalulekile efuneka siwafunde. Ngoba phela eSouth Africa siphila kwi-constitutional democracy. Angiqale ngehlukanise la. I-democracy kuthiwa the people shall govern, kusetshenzwa nge-majority. Asiphili-ke kuleyo democracy enjalo thina njengabantu base-South Africa. I-majority igcina mzukwane sivota, si-electe labo bantu labo efuneka basimele eParliament, bese iyagcina i-majority yaphela. Yonke into eyenzakalayo emveni kwalapho ilawulwa i-constitution. So siphila kwi-constitutional democracy. Okusho ukuthi labantu esiba-electile bayi-400 bese eParliament ukuthi ababe ngama-representatives wethu, noma bengavumelana abawu-399 bavumelane ngento ethize, bose oyedwa engayivumi loo nto leyo athathe lolo daba lusenkantolo. I-Constitutional Court uma ingafika ithatha isinqumo esihlukile kunalabantu abawu-399, ayisasho lutho ukuthi bayi-majority. Akusasho lutho ukuthi bayi-majority ngoba siphila kwi-constitutional democracy. Ngifisa ukuthi-ke masikhuluma ngalolu daba singasho ukuthi hayi abantu base-South Africa abahambelani nento yama-illegal immigrants. No, i-constitution yethu iyahambelana nawo. Ngenzela ukuthi singadideki ngoba i-democracy yehlukene.
Known to us, Botswana, South Africa and Zimbabwe had been, pulled into the question of looking for us. Of course, probably different motives. Rhodesia and South Africa definitely to search and destroy. Botswana to identify us and arrest us and negotiate with the ANC about our presence. So when we went to Botswana, after a few days, we were discovered. There was a difference amongst us as to whether we should resist arrest and fight back. There was a strong feeling that, we should not allow these fellows to capture us. But there was also a strong feeling that, look, Botswana is an independent African state, a member of the OAU, and that fighting them would create problems for the ANC mission. It would never be understood by our people if we had a situation where Botswana soldiers were killed in action against us. So ultimately, we agreed that let us surrender. After we had been assured by the Botswana officers that they were under pressure from South Africa and that we wouldn't be imprisoned, we would just, be allowed would be sent back to Zambia. So after some time then we surrendered. But they never kept their word. I think they were under pressure from South Africa. They were afraid. Clearly the government was afraid. They had a small army, small police force, which could never stand up to the bullies in Pretoria. So the price they had to pay was actually to imprison us. We were sentenced to long terms of imprisonment, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, and we served sentences in the Gaborone maximum security jail.
Ama-freedom fighters aboshwe eZimbabwe. Ama-freedom fighters aboshwe eBotswana. Bawabalile amazwe oZambia, o-Angola, Mozambique, iwona amazwe ayilekelela ama-freedom fighters. Kodwa nakhona babengahlali njengoba kuhlala labantu ababo ngoba ukufika la. Futhi angifuni abantu bangi-misunderstand. Asinayo inkinga nama-foreigners kulezwe lethu. Sinenkinga nama-illegal foreigners. Asinayo inkinga nje nabantu abangama-foreign. Sinenkinga nama-illegal foreigners. Futhi ke mangakhulunywa nge-immigration, iningi lethu we've migrated because abanye sisuke KZN, sila eGoli, singama-immigrants la, kuthi ngoba domestic. Ya umuntu okwafunda i-tourism uyazi ukuthi ihlukene makukhulunywa ngama-immigrants, kukhulunywa ngabantu who've migrated, domestic or international. So lana asinayo inkinga nabantu babokufika, sinenkinga nabantu abala ngokungekho semthethweni. Asifunda i-judgment isiza ukuthi itheni i-Gauteng High Court division yaseJohannesburg. I-judgment iphume ngomhla ka-4 kuNovember 2025, case number 2023 044 685. It's in the matter between Kopanang Africa Against Xenophobia, okuyiyona yafaka icala ummangalo lokuqala, kube i-South African Informal Traders Forum ummangalo wesibili, Inner City Federation ummangalo wesithathu, abahlali basemjondolo movement ummangalo wesine, imangalelo Operation Dudula, Government of Republic of South Africa kummangalelo wesibili, uminister wamaphoyisa ummangalo wesithathu, National Commissioner ummangalelo wesine, Minister of Home Affairs ummangalo wesihlanu, Minister of Justice and Correctional Service ummangalo wesithupha, members of Executive Council, Gauteng Department of Health ummangalo wesikhombisa, Minister of Health ummangalo wesi-8, Minister of Basic Education. Siyazi ke ukuthi udaba le-basic education lilungena ngoba idudula ithe iy'ngane zabantu abangama-illegal immigrant akufanelanga i-register esikoleni. Ofuthi akukho fair. Uma wena ungwala eSouth Africa kufanele ubhalise ingane yakho, kufuneka ikhadi lasekliniki, kufuneka i-birth certificate yengane, kufuneka i-copy i-ID yakho, proof of resident. Kodwa for umuntu oyi-illegal immigrant kufuneka nje affidavit. So njengoba befake leli cala nti bathinta yonke lemkhakha ethintekayo noma lezi inhlaka zonke ezithintekayo, asifuni judgment. Order ifundeka kanje: 1, it be and is hereby declared that only an immigration officer or police officer has the power, in terms of Section 41 of the Immigration Act 13 of 2002, to demand that another private person produce her or his passport or other identity documents to demonstrate her or his right to be in the Republic of South Africa, and that no private person has the power to do so unless expressly so authorized by law. 2. The first responded, the 11th and the 12th responded B and are hereby interdicted and restrained from demanding that any private person produce her or his passport or other identity document to demonstrate his or her right to be in the Republic. 3. The first responded, the 11th and the 12th responded B and are hereby interdicted and are restrained from A. Intimidating, harassing and or assaulting any individual that they identify as being foreign nationals. B. Making public statements that constitute hate speech on the grounds of nationality, social origin or ethnicity at public gatherings, on social media platform or any other way. C. Interfering with the access of foreign nationals to healthcare services and or their rights to such access. For D. Interfering with access to or the operations of school and intimidating or harassing learners, teachers, or parents at school. E. Unlawfully evict foreign nationals from their homes. F. Unlawfully removing foreign nationals from their trading stalls or interfering with the employment of foreign nationals in shops and businesses. Yona ke order le ephumile ukuthi abantu abavumelekile abasebenza ku-immigration namaphoyisa, abanye cha abasavumelekile. Njengoba ngishilo ekuqaleni ukuthi kunama-organization anjenge-March and March, MK Labour Desk ne-Operation Dudula. Uma bengabonakala bevimba abantu noma beyokhipha abantu abangama-illegal immigrants abasuke beqashwe amakhampani athize, lokho kuzobe sekuyicala kubo. Kuzobe kungelona icala ukuthi labantu baqashiwe, kodwa kuzobe kuyicala kubo. Okusho ukuthi noma kuthiwa into enjalo bayayibona, kufanele babikele amaphoyisa. Kube ngamaphoyisa azo-athenda lolo daba. Ile nto-ke eshiwo inkantolo. Ngitheka ngikulethele le judgment mayelana ne-Operation Dudula ukuthi kusuka namhlanje ayisavumelekile ukuvimba abantu ukuthi bangene emaklinikhi. Wonke umuntu ufuneka angene eklinikhi, kufanele angene. I-court order le ephuma enkantolo namhlanje. Ya, ngicela ukuza ukuphawula kwakho. Mina nawe sidibane kwividiyo elandelayo.